What if subscriptions replaced ownership completely and you never truly owned the things you pay for? That shift is already real. Music, software, movies, and storage are moving from purchase to monthly access. Companies love it because subscriptions create recurring revenue, predictable cash flow, and customer lock-in. For consumers, the trap is tiny monthly fees that look harmless alone but quietly stack into hundreds over time. You do not buy the product forever anymore. You pay to keep using it, and access disappears when payments stop. That changes power. Ownership gives permanence, while subscriptions create dependency on company rules and prices. Big platforms prefer this model because one lifetime sale becomes years of repeated payments from the same user. The danger is not one huge bill. It is dozens of silent renewals making people pay forever for the same life. If subscriptions become the default for everything, people could own less, save less, and depend more on companies. So if access replaces ownership everywhere, what happens when you can no longer afford to keep paying for your own life?